Hey guys, showing you this folding luggage rack. It's for the guest room or the foldable luggage suitcase stand with a unique magnetic locking and steel shelf. So I will show you the assembly. This is how you can assemble everything. So the unboxing first. So this is all metal and this can hold up to a 150 lb of the luggage and you can put this in the bedroom or the hotel or the guest room wherever you want to take it for the easy taking the clothes out of the luggage. So all the numbers are marked on the packaging so you can see, and everything is explained on the manual that is described here. So what is the process and stuff? So you have to read it carefully and see the installation. So like first step is to join these two together, and here like I'm just joining this. So it's a straightforward step-by-step process, but you need to be very careful because the installation is go step by step, and all these numbers and everything should go. So say a long tube and short tube, the A with the A, D with the D, like those type of things should be nice. All the tools and screws and everything is provided, and then you can just do the installation depend on the manual. I will show later on like this have a magnetic absorption for storage, and also is a folding design, so it's a space saving as well, so with a thicker material. So all these points like as I shown like with all the different ones, so you have to be careful which comes outside, like the D will come outside and all this type of things. So once you set up everything and put this, so these are the screws that comes with it. So its the total height is 23 inches, and it can holds up to 28 inch of the luggage that I will show you later on. So see the arranging and the apartment with this. So you need to be careful setting these up. Say like this is the stepwise installation. Once this is done with the first step, then you can see the second one on the top shelf, and then this is the whole product. So this is the folding one. You can just take this down from the magnet, so you can put the shoes or the bags or the soft bags on it. These are the luggage, so this is a big luggage. On the top, there is no issue while holding it, and it's really easy to open and use the luggage or take out the stuff, and then you can just fold it and keep it aside. So really a nice design with the folding and everything for the luggage rack. Here you can fold this or you can fold in total.